The next function we'd look at is the lower function. The lower function is used to lowercase text in the cell. Changing the letter case of your cell values can be great when there is a lot of inconsistency among the cell inputs, or when you're preparing your data for case-sensitive usage. It is written as equal to lower. So lower changes your text to a lowercase. To use this function on a single cell, you write equal to lower, then you select the cell. To use it on a multiple range, you can write equal to lower, then select the range you're starting for, summation, which is the colon, the end cell. Let's take a look at this example, how we can apply the lower function. So we have this email column. Take a look at the email column. It has inconsistency in the letters. Ideally, the email ought to be small letters. Or let's say, for this example, the organization wants the email to be small letters all through. The best function to use to change all this is the lower function. So instead of retyping this manually, you can use a single function to fix this. Now let's take a look at how we can fix it. Try by typing equal to lower, select the cell, close brackets, and that's all. Automatically change everything to lowercase. Let's try it again. Equal to lower, open bracket, select the cell, close it, and see what happens. Try this yourself. Try to complete the remaining cells. Change all of it to lowercase. If you got something like this, that's nice. You are able to understand how to use the lower function. Let's try the upper function. The upper function is the opposite of the lower function. The upper function changes the selected cell to capital letters. That is, all the letters will change to an uppercase, which is capital letters. Let's use the first name, for example. We would want to change all of the first name to uppercase. So just simply put upper, select the cell, close it, and that's all. Bottle, upper, select the cell, close it, and that's it. Try to fill the other cells for the first name. If you got something like this, using the upper function, that's great. You understand how to use the lower and upper function.